Hello and welcome, Marketer Ethan Poltrak here. I have an affiliate marketing system that you can start making money within your first 7 days here in 2024. Okay, this system has been around for a little while now, but today everybody is looking for additional ways to create income. Okay, gas prices are up, rent prices are up, food prices are up, just about everything is up, but yet employers are still paying the same wages they did 10, 15 years ago. Okay, so it's tough. So people are looking for additional ways to make money online. Okay, I have a system for you that you can tie into that can help you do this, leveraging this tool, the internet. Okay. What's nice about this system that you can make money with affiliate marketing here in 2024, okay, is, you know, first of all, again, there's more and more people today. So this opportunity, this is one of the best times. It has some of the fastest growth is 2023, and it's going to continue to climb. Okay, and that's just because the value is there. Okay, you get custom pages that you can use to promote this opportunity, as well as any product or opportunity you are currently promoting. Or if you go to an affiliate network, you find a product or a business system that you'd like to promote, you can tie this into your back office. You know, has a built-in contact manager. So do you need an autoresponder with this service? No, you do not. You can use their built-in contact managing system to email your referrals. Okay. And again, one of the best things that I like with this service is it has a fully customizable back office, meaning you can set up the back office any way you desire. You can add any products you want, any opportunities. You can create training videos. I mean, it's really endless on what you can do inside this members area. Okay. I first, to learn more, all you need to do is click that link below this video in the description. It'll take you to a page where you can access a video that I created walking you through inside the members area of this entire system. Okay. Um, Also, what's nice is, we've all heard the saying, traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. Okay. Uh, Inside the members area, there's a section in the menu that's called traffic generation. Okay. We show you step by step on how you can get quality buyer traffic for literally pennies. Okay, this isn't with Facebook ads, it's not with Bing ads, it's not with social media. Okay, and this works, and it works good. We also have various free traffic sources. Okay, and again, what's nice about this is if you have a traffic source already that you're using and you're getting good results with it, you can add that into the traffic generation section in your back office. Again, it's 100% fully customizable, which is pretty cool. Okay, so listen, if you're looking for a system to help you create passive income, affiliate commissions here in coming up 2024, then I suggest that you click that link below this video in the description to learn more. Okay, you got nothing to lose. In fact, you have a lot to gain because this system just plain out works. Okay, I've been online doing affiliate marketing for over 12 years now, and I've seen a lot of programs and systems come and go. And frankly, a lot of them just don't provide the promises that they tell you on the sales page. Okay. Um, but again, like I said, this system here that you're about to get access to it's been around for a number of years now, and today the growth of it is amazing, just because it provides it's a tool service that you need. Okay, and it has an affiliate program tied to it that doesn't cost you any money. Okay, um, and you can promote this service, and make a great income, passive residual income with it. And again, you make even more money because you tie other products and services into the back end. Okay, and as people join you in this system, okay, they will get, they'll upgrade and do these other systems that you have. Okay, So again, go ahead, click that link below this video in the description, okay, and learn more about this system, affiliate marketing system that I have for you here in 2024. Okay, let's make this year and the following years the best years ever online for you. Okay, to your success, and bye for now.